FCP Euro Auto Parts Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think European car parts are expensive and hard to get, but FCP Euro offers a one-stop shop for OEM and aftermarket parts for Volvo, BMW, Audi, and more. FCP Euro specializes in parts for European vehicles and is known for its lifetime replacement warranty on many items. One standout feature is free shipping on orders over a certain amount, which adds value for frequent buyers. Most people get this wrong. They assume aftermarket parts are risky. The surprising truth is that FCP Euro focuses on OEM quality parts, ensuring reliability and proper fit for your vehicle. The lifetime warranty also provides confidence and long-term savings. Another advantage is their customer service. Knowledgeable support staff can help identify parts, provide installation tips, and suggest maintenance products for your specific car model. The website also includes helpful guides and how-to videos. However, there are considerations. Some parts can be pricey, and shipping times may vary depending on your location. Installation expertise is still needed for more complex repairs. In conclusion, FCP Euro is ideal for European car owners looking for OEM quality parts, excellent customer support, and a warranty that gives peace of mind. Always check your vehicle specifications before ordering. Subscribe for more honest auto parts and repair resource reviews before making your next purchase.